Hi and welcome to Neo Does Makeup. I'm Neo, and today this anime makeup look is inspired by American Horror Story Cult. Not cult, Apocalypse. I cannot speak. I cannot think. I've been awake for. We're getting close to. Oh my god, it's been 21 hours. Anyway, So it's 21 hours I've been awake. Anyway, and it's 8 a.m. and I'm gonna be out all day. Pray for me. PLS, pray for me. Even though this is going out afterwards, pray for me. Anyway, I love how this looks turned out. It's basically all the darkness from all the shadows and the fog that we have in most of the episode, but also the warmth from whenever the bombs did hit. So that's the whole thing. It's like fire, brimstone, death, and yeah. Plus, it's also like a very good autumn fall look, and I'm kind of living for that too. So I'm gonna stop rambling. If you want to see how I created this video, continue watching. Okay, so let's get started. I already took care of my eyebrows and primed and set my lids using my NYX HD primer, eyeshadow primer, and I used Canvas from the Sephora Pro Warm Palette, which we're using the Sephora Pro Warm Palette. I haven't touched this in forever. Oh my gosh. But the first shade I'm going to take after is Ochre. And we're going to blend that above the crease. Now to go deeper into the crease, I'm going to take the shade right here. Right here. This one, Terracotta. Yeah, that one. I'm going to buff that just below and blend in at the same time. Same brush. Real quickly, I'm also going to take the same colors and bring it into this inner corner as well. Now I'm going to take the shade right here, Burnt Umber, and obviously run that a little bit lower and in. Okay, now that I have the basic shape, I'm going to actually cut out the center portion, which is why I brought the darker color, like all the colors in. I'm going to cut it out using, using my Wet n Wild concealer. And yeah. I'm just going to let you know, I'm also going to be going to take Night Divine and put that on top after I cut it. So I put that down and then I realized I forgot to put the black down too. So to go around the black, go around Night Divine, I'm going to take Obsidian, which is the black in my Sephora Pro Warm Palette. I'm just going to go around. Okay. I'm going to recut the center and reapply, as well as add the black on this side, and I'll be right back. Okay, now you get to really see the eyes, and I love how they look. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, put on some mascara, maybe no, I'm not going to do liner today. And, I'll be right back. And I'll have my full face on too. Okay, so I'm back, full face on, trying new bronzers. They're cute. Loving this highlight. But now I need to finish the under eyes, where I'm basically going to take the same shades except for Night Divine and running them underneath. for a little bit of inner corner highlight, I'm going to take the shades. Which one should I take? I'm going to take the shade right here, Copper, and pop that on the inner corner. And I'm actually going to add a little bit of bronze, which is the shade right next to it, since it's a little bit more gold. Yeah. Okay. For the waterline, I'm going to take my Marc Jacobs Velvet Noir fine highliner and fine line and run that in my waterline. Okay, now onto the lips. Okay, so for lipstick today, I'm going to be taking Kat Von D's Project Chimps and Flame of the Game by Wet n Wild and doing an ombre. I'm gonna go fix this and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I'm actually going to take Flame of the Game and pop that in the center and be blending out using this brush and my lips. Okay, so I had to switch cameras. I'm now using my phone. But I did quickly take Flame of the Game, blended it out. Then I took this Makeup Forever orange eyeshadow. I don't know the exact number. I popped that on top for a little glow on the lip. I'm sorry. My phone is teetering on my tripod. Anyway, so that's the lip. I forgot to do bottom lash mascara. Yeah, it's dark enough. By the way, I actually just went live on Instagram for a little bit while I was blending and everything. I was not feeling this lip until the blend started to show, and I'm like, okay, now I'm feeling it. Anyway, okay, so now I'm going to let down my hair and set my face using set spray, and I'll be right back. I'm that tired. Oh my god. Okay, so here we are at the finished look, and I love it. I did tell you I had to switch cameras. Anyway, it's been a day. I say that it's only 8:31 a.m. Woo! Anyway, I love how this turned out. I'm just looking at it, and oh my gosh, I love it. Here, let me turn down the brightness a little bit because it is a little bright in here. I love how this turned out. The highlight is poppin', which is actually some eyeshadows from the palette, and a little bit of Eclipse. And I just love this look. Obviously, if you watch my videos, you know I love warmth with darkness. And then this lip ombre. I'm feeling it now. Anyway, I'm gonna let you go. Thank you so much for thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please do like, comment, and subscribe. If you like me and you want to see more, please do subscribe and click the little bell button, because every time I release a new video, you'll get a notification. Whew! Aside from that, I don't know what to say except thank you for watching, and I hope this season of American Horror Story is better than the last one, because I didn't even finish Cult. Don't kill me. But aside from that, thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.